day, honey.
Thank you. This is the new one. It's pretty good. Wow, this is pretty good. Where did you buy it? Oh my god, I just love it. It's just a masterpiece. Oh my god, I love it. Next time you come, just buy it.
How much?
200,000.
That expensive?
Yeah, it's the new one. What the fuck?
Don't be sad. Here. Drink. It will make you feel better.
Thank you for being by my side.
This short film
shows the difference between reality and imagination.
It's about a guy who has lost his lover.
He became addicted to drugs.
Slowly, drugs has become his wife.
The one who took care of him was his wife.
The one who supported him was his wife.
After she died, drugs have replaced her.
He lived his addicted life like it's a normal life.
His imagination about his normal life has become real.
But it's not.
Drugs destroy our brains.
Drugs can kill people from the inside.
Taking drugs is not the solution.
Taking drugs is the problem.
Taking drugs is not cool.
Taking drugs can make you forget all the problems.
But your precious memories will also disappear with those problems.
People around you will also fade away.
Some people consume it without thinking.
This addiction can destroy your future.
This addiction is not the light at the end of the tunnel.
This addiction will block you from the goal.
Your beautiful life will be destroyed.
Your beautiful image will be destroyed.
Your beautiful future will be destroyed.
Your beautiful family will be destroyed.
Life will be easier if you don't take it.
Life will be easier if you don't approach it.
The easiest part is taking it.
The hardest part is letting it go.
Playing with drugs means playing with life.
Who says it's happiness?
It's actually sadness.
Hell,
When we become slave of addiction,
We become unconscious.
We become useless.
we become addicted.
drugs create an illusion.
An illusion that will destroy our memory.
Say
No.
Two,
Drugs